Welcome to my YouTube channel or Bilibili. This video is the installation and debugging tutorial, the first chapter, of the Windows 7 entry version, simple version. Now let's start the VMware virtual machine. During the waiting time, try to talk to you about Windows 7 Starter Edition or popularize relevant knowledge for everyone. Maybe many of you have never heard of Windows 7 Starter Edition. Here is a popular science for everyone. Windows 7 Starter Edition is only x86, which is a 32-bit operating system. Windows 7 Starter Edition is on MSDN. I tell you to download it from this website, but it is not independent, but in the flagship system image of MSDN Windows February 7 SP1, which is one of the sub-volumes in install.wim. In this flagship system image contains 5 sub-volumes, the first of which is the entry-level edition, and then goes to the Home Basic Edition, Home Premium Edition, Professional Edition, and Ultimate Edition. I briefly introduced some relevant knowledge about Windows 7 Starter Edition. I thought about it, maybe you may not have used this Starter Edition system, so I will slowly demonstrate it in the video below. If you encounter any problems, you can pause it or read it several times over and over again, and I will try to slow down the operation as much as possible. Let's get to the point. Enter the virtual machine system interface. You can see that the wallpaper of Windows 7 entry version is different from the wallpaper of Windows 7 in our daily life. The wallpapers we usually see are all patterned with colors, yes, but the wallpaper of the entry-level version of Windows 7 that we are explaining now presents an overall light blue style, so that it looks more in line with the name of the entry-level version, Basic and Simple version, at a glance, not to mention, at first glance, the feeling is indeed quite refreshing. We usually buy computers, and the computers we get are already set up by others. There are already personal folders, computers, recycle bins, control panels, and networks on the desktop, as well as special shortcut IE icons, etc. Let's go introduce 4 methods, the first of which is manual setting. The setting of IE icon is excluded here, because manual setting is too troublesome. The second, third, and fourth are all through software to achieve such settings, of which the third is the most convenient and fast, and the second is to realize the control through DISM++. IE settings are also excluded here, because there is no function that can display special IE icons in this DISM++, so I won't talk about it here. Both the first and the fourth can call out special IE icons through software settings. First, let's talk about the first one. We first open the Start menu, and find the text of the icon that needs to be set under the avatar of the Start menu. The first one is the text name of the personal folder, Administrator. At this time, we need to right-click on it, and then in the column of the right button, we can see an option, Display on the desktop. We choose this option, and then the icon of the personal folder already exists on the desktop, and the following needs to be set in the same way, and so on. In the first method, we can only set 4, namely, personal folder, computer, recycle bin, and control panel. Now that we have finished the first method, let's go to the second method. The second method is to use DISM++ to set up. Open the DISM++ folder on the desktop, and find DISM++ x86 in the folder. We double-click to open this file name. After opening DISM++, we find the option of System Optimization under the Control Panel column, and then click in. There are 15 optimization items in the option of System Optimization, we find the Desktop Icon Management project. Desktop Icon Management project. There is a small arrow next to it. Expand the small arrow to see 6 sub-items. Find the option corresponding to the current user in the first sub-item. Display my computer on the desktop. Modify it to display the operation method of the third option. Display the control panel on the desktop is the same as above, so I won't repeat it here, and so on. The third method is to use the Software Optimization Master to optimize. We double-click to open the single file extraction version of the Software Optimization Master. After opening, the first item is the desktop setting. We open the computer on the desktop icon on the far right. The control panel, user files, network, and IE browser are enough. Compared with the first two methods, the third method is simpler and faster. The fourth method is to use the Xiao assisted optimization tool. There are many options here that can be customized and optimized. However, considering those students who do not read the optimization project carefully, 2 optimization schemes have been configured here. They are the Windows 7 Package Optimization Solution only for solid-state drives, and the Windows 7 Package Optimization Solution only for mechanical hard drives. Here you can choose according to the hard disk type of Windows 7 you are using. Because it is a mechanical hard disk used by a virtual machine, here we choose the optimization scheme only for mechanical hard disks to optimize. After opening the Xiao Auxiliary Optimization tool, the first option is the home page. We select the System Optimization project, and select the optimization scheme below. After selecting the optimization scheme, select one-click optimization, and after the optimization is completed, restart the computer system. So far, our video content is over. I will put the tools used in the video introduction, and you can download them yourself. If you are interested in joining our community, you can open QQ, and then search for this channel number in the QQ channel, AIHA Community 1. In addition, if you do not have a QQ channel or are friends abroad, you can enter in the browser address bar, https://github.com/yism/hobby-research-community. This is my GitHub storage warehouse, and there is also a community column. Foreign friends should know how to use it. The time is short, and it will soon be time to say goodbye. Netizens in front of the screen, see you in the next video.